Welcome to the Tear Rubber episode of As E Dey Hot, that ogbonge politic discussion show when they carry all the topic where they come and smoke inside Nigeria politic arrangement to discuss them so that you sef go know as things they happen for Nigeria, contribute your own for the matter, and those where the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. On top of the ogbonge television station, Wazobia 1 on top UHF channel 57. My name is Ezugu, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern any politic matter. As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to Monday edition. That is the fresh week edition of the program As E Dey Hot. Now this day they establish waiting happen over the weekend as Chiku don't call on the Tear Rubber edition. Now we don't bring so. We go open our phone line when that time reach for that to also do it, for that to also check about on issues or any of the stories we will put that way interest to now. So at least we go know as we go take collectively they address the issues about our country and to know how we will take do it in join hands together to move on forward. My name never still change. My name now Kubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
On Monday, sake of say on Friday with the lock shop, carry key go. But our ears see the day ground so that all the action things will happen. We go carry and come, make everybody for Nigeria contribute for inside this people's parliament. We go start with one important story when we say it's very, very sensitive. And people, they talk like when they chop hot yam. It get to do with the issue when they happen for the southeastern part of Nigeria. Series of protests when we say the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and the movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra, Masob, they don't they push. It get one gist when come out when we say senior man of God for inside the southeast, Father Ejike Mbaka, come out, come talk say, the fact say you dey lock your shop, they do we no go agree. Say na waste of time. Say if they won't settle this particular matter as it get to do with Biafra issue, na small, they do am. Una remember the Chinese when I speak last week say, jete, we catch a monkey. Now waiting they try infer for the statement be that. But in a counter statement, one faction of the movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra, they can release information. Comrade Uche Namadu, now he released the information, say the level when we say they don't reach now, they're ready to do anything to ensure, say, waiting then they push, they go achieve them and then go actualize them. Some other people can add another twist to the story, and that's now the Southeast Caucus of the All Progressives Congress. They come and talk, say, with the way when we say these people, they go about this, that we no go agree. Say if it affects the chances of the Igbo people when it come for 2023. And Oga Frank Kokori, when the senior man that year, Secretary General for Nupeng, don't come at contact say, it be like saying that some people, they put the people when they go this front of we no go agree inside whining. He can call on the leaders, not just for Igbo land, but also for Nigeria. Say make everybody open their mouth with one voice, talk, say this thing bad, and make we do the right thing. Because now the way when we say Boko Haram, Jaguda badness, take start. To come top up this story as it get to do with the Biafra matter, the spokesperson of the IGHO Youth Council worldwide don't come out contact say make them use dialogue for this matter, make them sit down for round table discuss because all of us are children of one Nigeria. On top of As E Dey Hot, we dey use our full mouth to talk say this country belongs to all of us. The interest of everybody now in the government, now in they promote. So make all of us, all the wahala when we think say we get, all the vex when we think say we dey vex, make we bring them, make we discuss like children of one mother Nigeria. That one get to do with the issue of Biafra and the many matter when don't come out for that story be that. And
then from that issue, make we go straight to waiting one of the former spokesperson of Oga Jonah talk. That is Oga Doyin Okupe. Oga Doyin Okupe recently come and talk say with the talk say Jonah this in government say the way he take lose the election, the way he take lose the election. Say if say Jonah if say Jonah do what he's supposed to do. Say this election will for no lose them. And say the election will for no lose them. You can't talk say look, the reason why they lose that election, why Jonah lose that election, now because of say Oga Jonah himself refused to do it to sack the former INEC chairman, which is Oga Jega. In the react towards waiting Oga, that is one Oga talk, and that is Oga Raymond Dokpesi, where he talks say now the person where they're feeling, that is all Jonah himself where they're feeling as the presidential candidate, now he make them lose the election. But the Oga Doyin counter is a lie, that is not it. Say no be because of the candidacy. Now because of Oga Jega will be say we don't even know where he stand there. If like say just they get it, he gets some political incompetence and the way they take relate with issue, they address this thing. So now make Oga Jonah do it lose that election. Say Oga Jonah don't do it, don't sack Oga Jega. Say that election Oga Jonah for no lose them at all. Now it's not Oga Donyo Kupe talk.
From the issue of waiting Oga Donyo Kupe talk, we go enter one particular issue where we say, don't they bite Nigerians for the shoe when they wear? And this one get to do with the current, in quote, artificial scarcity when they inside Nigeria. Over the weekend, we can't see long queue for different petrol stations. People can't come and they talk, say, the way when things they go, it be like, say, the matter for fuel, the thing don't red. We can't break the issue down. Say the Minister for State for Petroleum, Oga Ibe Kachiku, come out. Tell Nigerians say our president, based on him belief, say make we settle everything so that Nigerians go feel enjoy, especially as it get to do with petrol. Say 413 billion naira. Now they pay to petroleum marketers them. But the petroleum marketers they come and come to say, not be just to pay the money first. Say in fact, the way when they don't reach now, they don't reach the situation of money for hand, petrol for ground. Because of say, they thought say that one, the National Assembly go first, I go speak English, ratify what the Oga President don't do. Say after they ratify them, they'll come begin the paperwork. They thought say based on the ratification and the paperwork things, then go just wait. They look whether government really serious about the matter. But the NMPC, that is the Obonge joint body for Nigeria, when get to do with oil matter, don't come out and talk, say, this artificial scarcity is something we say they prepare to deal with. As they get over, I go, 1 billion liters of fuel, when we say they go make available to Nigerians. But the question we get to ask, we say, it can't be like, say, every year for Nigeria, once, we must get fuel scarcity. Waiting they happen, waiting be the matter. When we begin the discussion, we go look all this one. But another one get to do with fuel scarcity, in quote, artificial fuel scarcity inside Obodo, Nigeria.
And from that artificial fuel scarcity, make we carry the waka travel go down to Anambra State. Make we go give now this gist where they happen between the present governor, that is Oga Obiano, and the past governor we hand over power to him, Oga Pt.1. Because when Oga Pt.1 they come out from power, we hear say he leave a total of 75 billion naira for the incoming government to do it in, so that they go fit use the money, do it in, maximize carry out work. But the government of Ogopiano don't come and talk, say, hey, say this rumor, we just fly around, now fire, where they fly around, say, hey. Say that rumor is waiting at first. Say, Oga Pt.1 no do it in. Say, he no leave any 75 billion naira for him. Say, as a matter of fact, say, waiting, they down. Waiting, you hear, say, he leave now 9 billion naira cash and then like a 26 billion naira cash. And Oga Pt.1 even can't leave, that is liabilities where they at the tune of 185.1 billion naira. That is maybe works with the where they on ground, where they never finish, or works with the done, where they don't already sign, where they're supposed to. Say 185.1 billion naira liabilities. Now, the past government leave for him will be the person will just come in. But Oga Pt.1 don't come and can't react to this matter because this thing that Obiano is talking, he just want to can do it, he just want to can spoil in name. Say, so Obiano, this thing you are talking is not true. I know how much I left for you. Why will you come out to tell us right now that say I not leave that particular amount, 75 billion naira for you? What is that supposed to mean? But then we will still follow this story to know how far and how well this matter will go, to know who live waiting for who, and who they lie and who they talk through. But we'll still follow this matter as time they go.
From the issue when they happen between Oga Pt.1, former governor of Anambra State, and the person when succeed him, Oga Willie Obiano, we go enter security matter. The DSS, that is, that arm of our security people, when we say that they wear black, that they do like commando and Rambo and get plenty action. They don't come out, talk, say, they don't arrest one of the 100 wanted people. When we say our Nigerian army talk, say, these people are Boko Haram bad people and they won't catch them. They talk, say, the person are number 26 out of the 100 people. When we say they put their picture outside, and the name now, Danladi Abdullahi. They catch them for the Modugonari area for inside Maiduguri metropolis. Our Oga Patapata, when they get to do with security matter for the army, don't come out, talk, say the DSS and the army and other security agencies say their partnership when be like the one wey happen between Rooney and Van Persie that year, say the thing don dey yield plenty dividend, and he go encourage everybody to continue to dey work together so that the deadline when Oga Presido give them, say by December 31, 2015, every issue wey get to do with Boko Haram must be a thing of the past. Say them go actualize them. We dey talk and say we support our army people, and we dey give them everything when they get to use fit pursue these Boko Haram Jaguda people come up for inside Obodo, Nigeria.
Yes, from the fight against these Jaguda people and the capture of one of their top Oga, make we carry this matter enter into wetin happened yesterday, when our Oga Senate, that is the Senate President, Oga Bukola Saraki, come and talk, say, look, say, if we never they do it, if we never they tell now how much our budget be or how we they take spend money, say, this time around, we will make public the 2016 budget breakdown for before every Nigerian. In they talk this through one of the media social media person, will be Mr. Bamiko, and that is Bamikole Omishori. He talked this in yesterday. I can say, as a matter of fact, just because of say, they don't talk, say, look, then the government of transparency and then the government we want to make sure, say, at least, and what they do, Nigerians will they take their own eyes, shine their own eyes. So she say, yes, so this is what they do. It is very, very transparent. Say, from this moment on, under this administration, say, any budget, our worried budget, we go make we go declare, we go give them a breakdown of the budget, so that at least Nigerians will go follow ourselves, paru pasu, to know how our country they go, to know how much we they spend, to know as development they also cut across our country. Now, it's not Oga Bukola Saraki talk yesterday, be that.
To come top up all of this story when we discuss today, we go talk about the money when we say our ministers them, they go collect, they put for their pocket at the end of the month for the work when they go do. Everybody knows say the Ogbonge joint body for inside Obodo Nigeria, Revenue Mobilization and Fiscal Allocation Commission, when they look into all the money when we say our government people that they collect, they don't come out contact say, and then we begin the review of the money when they go to collect for June. But the thing be like say the work when they do, they never complete them, even though they don't file the report. But they need to edit them to ensure say everything when they calculate inside the thing they correct. But based on say now the status quo, that is the way when the thing they now we go continue. Our ministers them go earn 485 million naira yearly. No be just one person, you know. All of them. If you carry your calculator, can't divide this total money with the number of ministers when we get. Now be saying that everything when they will collect like that, then they will collect. And the senior ministers them, based on say we get minister for state and the ones when we say senior them, the ministers for state go collect 12 million naira, while the senior ministers go collect 13 million naira. Everybody knows say the reason why we review the money when we say our government people they collect now based on say it be like say the account of our country the thing on the dry small based on say oil money don't they fall. But people don't come and talk say the earlier they review this review, the better. So that government people go to collect money when we say if we look at we go talk say it not too much, and the one when we go feel save from there, we go chook them into things when we go to use for inside this our country. All these 7 stories where we don't carry come based on the plenty action when happen for Nigeria this weekend. And the stories when we say we go through our phone lines open now, make you call to chook mouth on top. Remember, say on top of Wazobia 1 UHF 57, we dey talk am. Say now we be the only television station when we kick goat to take use make pepper soup for you. Now why would not kuna with 3 telephone lines, come top am up with 1 toll-free line. You fit call any of our lines and you fit call our toll-free line. And the reason why the toll-free line is sweet belle and say, you go call, you go talk, before Nigeria go hear you, but now we go dey pay.
Yes, now we go to take the responsibility of on our cause. That is on top of our toll-free line. For those of us who go to do it, we go to call on that line. Chukudi, we don't break down. We don't give breakdown of what happened over the weekend. And that's why I even want to talk now to talk. Say yes. One thing we will not even chip in. Now HID we don't finally do it. We don't finally go meet.
Don't start in journey.
Yes, he don't start her journey to at least go join the ancestors, our papas them, our forefathers them. She don't start the journey, and we wish her well for this journey where she just starts.
Exactly.
Yes,
and it's very important as we wish her well. Make we also point out say if you dey any position, whether you dey government or you just be a regular Nigerian citizen, say the good things wey you do, na im go remain after you don go. You fit get all the money wey dey this world, get plenty motor, get plenty houses, but nobody dey carry that one go answer the call from Baba God. The matriarch of the Awolowo family, na person wey me say that they remember her for her significant contribution to the development of Nigeria. She no hold any government office, but from the advice wey she dey give and from the good example wey she set, many people for this country don look her life say yes, na life wey me say dey worthy of emulation. So e dey very very important make we put am for our mind, whether you dey government, whether you no dey government, na the things wey you go do na im go remain after you. I go speak English. What will you be remembered for when you answer the glorious call? The glorious call. Put mouth for wetin we dey discuss. I no understand why you dey squeeze face like who chop yam. If
you know put English for any talk wey we don talk, that talk never complete. You
know say if you see me, you will see say the suit when I wear am complete.
No, na me no wear my own complete.
You know wear your own complete now. You'll be like who they forced to wear suit because today na Monday. It's obvious. That's what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. Be like who be general secretary for church fellowship. Like who person wey be say you the way you keep face, you be like who after they collect offering, you can't check. Once you say be like say money no complete, and the pastor and a person wey be say they put plenty emphasis on accountability. They will probe you. It's obvious. They will probe you. Don't call my name. If you want talk.
No, look. And it's just that I woke up on the right side of the bed.
Which side of the bed? If you
woke up on the right side of the bed.
Your bed dey like this.
So,
your bed no get right, you no get left.
It's not so. Chukudi, you know me very well.
You woke up on the side of the bed.
You know me very well.
Your bed is facing the wall. You must always wake up on the right side.
Now.
Okay, you go to Abuja.
No, say yes. My mood this morning is well defined. I no want fight. Good morning, Ogaigo.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Ogaigo, we dey greet you.
The controversial Kubi.
Thank you. Good morning.
I don't see say only the way Kubi wear suit. Now they talk truth.
Exactly.
Then, Oga Chukudi, that your suit is very powerful.
Thank you very much.
That. Thank you very much. And did you say now you be the guy where they make us proud?
They speak for the Nigerian people. Thank you very much.
Down to the issue, the 7 topic where you drop, so very powerful, very powerful topic. You get me? This issue of BIAFRA now, now so Boko Haram starts small. But we look at through it, they say they go just start within. Small time go explode. Now when they say this BIAFRA, they start small. Now when they do this thing now, I go tell Kubi, I go send you message now to the president, When you deliver, say when this BIAFRA starts now, when they say it never explode, never wide, where some group of people now they sponsor that I believe so, make it tackle them now, make it end down now. Before it will call out join the problem of join this Boko Haram. They're down to the first scarcity. First scarcity don't say that small now. For Abuja now, it don't tight. See the long queue we they get now. They're down to the issue of the ministers where they collect 12 and 13 million. Even that 12 and 13 million, is too much. It's too much, sir. The people where they protect, where they guide this country, where they fight for Meduguri, they fight Boko Haram. How much do they collect? They don't seek to their welfare. Let them stick to the welfare of those people. The other you see one minister they collect 12 to it's too much. It's too much. Let them review it. Let them bring that down. You get me? Then down to the issue of this Boko Haram. The military are winning the war.
Yes, sir.
The military are winning the war. Make I tell Ukubi, you can't say right for time. You know they support uniform people, but I'll tell Ukubi we are winning the war.
No put me wrong. Na national TV are there. I beg you. Ogaigo. Thank you very much for that call, and I also did glad say at least you also from your sweet belly you talk say yes and the issues we will put down at least the issues where we feel relate with and also address as one nation. And on the issue of the Boko Haram, the issue of the Biafra issue. Anyway, I will talk on this program say Nigeria on our own, and I know say the government go do it and go address this matter before you go do it before you go enter on that level. We get Oga Shegun they call us from Lagos here. Oga Shegun, good morning. Where for Lagos they call us from?
Good morning.
Good morning.
From Ikorodu.
Ikorodu. Okay, right on. Fire on. They hear you.
Yes. Now the issue of this BIAFRA, I want to talk about.
Would they hear? Right on.
I am about 60 years and I witnessed BIAFRA work. Please let me tell my young brothers, because their hate statements when they talk, even Yoruba, if you meet them, they are in Yoruba land. if you meet them for Oshodi, the average statement of the Igbos to the Yorubas, when they talk, then go they say Nigeria, Yoruba na saboteur.
Oga Shago, I know where they try bring your this thing from, but we go always they talk here. No, Nigeria no be anybody property. No tribe get this country. No tribe can't they describe another tribe as they want this thing, say this thing. We always talk and say we'll be one, and now our collective will go fit define as our country go take do it, move forward. We always preach peace, and that peace I want people to stand on.
Exactly, yes, it's very, very important. Make we emphasize say. Even though we be people from different ethnic backgrounds, we all be Nigerians. And the government, when we get, or all the governments when we don't get, everything when they do now to ensure, say, our country, they okay. We always talk and say, when time reach for us to enjoy good things, all of us, they enjoy them together. If we get issues, all of us go face all these issues together. So whether people, they agitate or not, it's important to make all of us carry on for the back of our mind. Say, we don't get any other country except Nigeria. Yes. And the way to move this country forward, now make we just do everything together as one people. Quickly, we go rush, enter this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion on all of the action to really happen inside of Nigeria for this weekend when pass. So, no go anywhere. Now, still Wazobia 1 on top UHF 57, and this now as it is hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.